Oh, hey guys, welcome back to Studio E. Today's class, we are featuring a request from Jackie to make, what are we making, Jackie?
Vanellope candies, crush car.
That's right, Vanellope's Candy Crush Racer from Wreck-It Ralph.
Yeah!
Yeah. So, I was looking through our cabinets and everything and just looking for extra candy, stuff left over from Halloween, stuff from last Easter, stuff from Valentine's Day, and I even found this gingerbread house kit, which we never made. So I'm going to use this today for the body of our car, our racer. But you can easily use any kind of cookies, graham crackers. And what I did is I cut some of these pieces to kind of make the basic shape of the racer. These will be the sides. I have this, I thought I'd make a nice little spoiler for the back of the racer. And I have some icing. And if you have one of these spatulas, these work good, but a butter knife will work also. Sprinkles, different candies, right? Got the candies here, Jackie. So I'm going to start putting this together. And you're going to use the icing as a glue, depending on how much you have. You can put a ton of icing or just a little bit. I have some of this whipped cream also to fill in. Right, Jackie?
Yep.
We got a little of this stuff here. All right, so I'm just using this like glue. Let's do our sides first. And I'm going to put a bunch of these extra ones in the middle so it doesn't wiggle around too much. Let's turn this way, right?
Candy crush car.
Yeah, Wreck-It Ralph Candy Crush Cart. And now let's put a bunch of these guys in here.
Candy crush car. Pink. Wreck-It Ralph. Vanellope. Pink. Wreck-It Ralph. Vanellope car.
Wreck-It Ralph.
Pink.
Right, make some of this glue on here. All right, and Jackie, your part's going to come up pretty soon. So, you know what? What if you look at some of these candies? Tell me what we can use. What do you think would be good for wheels? Candy wheels.
These things.
Okay, we can have kisses for wheels.
These.
I like it.
Yep, these can be for wheels.
All right, let's make our sides, right? So we got a glue. Right, do our sides like this. Uh-oh, it's starting to look like a Candy Crush tank.
Pink and red can be wheels.
I like that idea. Let's go like this. And now.
And then they mean nar wheels. Then they mean nar wheels too, Dad.
Other wheels, okay. Yep. All right. So we're going to go like that. Okay.
Then another wheels.
And you want to do this part, Jackie? Some whipped cream?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Here, ready? You press that little part there.
Look at it. One.
All right, let's get a little bit on the sides here.
What one? What button?
What noise does it make?
What button, Dad? What one?
This little guy. I guess you turn this just a little bit. You have to go upside down like this and go. All right, let's do the other side. Ready? Here. You wanna push? Push down. You might have to use 2 fingers. Whoa!
What?
All right, ready. Let's do another one here. Let's put a little bit in the back. Is that funny?
Yeah.
All right, here comes the fun part. So now, let's see. You want to put See, do you want to leave the wrappers on and keep them colorful, or do you want them to be the chocolate?
The chocolate.
Okay, so we got to take the wrapper off. There we go. And let's see. Here, so you put this on where the whipped cream is, Jackie. Yay. And let's do this one. And you want to put it here, you do this one.
No, maybe here.
Okay. That can be Vanellope's steering wheel. That's cool. Yeah, let's do.
I got one again.
Yeah, let's do the other side.
I got
Okay.
I got these ones.
Okay. You want to do those ones?
Yep.
Let's see. So you open that part. And so nice little heart lollipop. Where can this go? How about
Clip this.
Alright, we have a request. Alright, let's put the heart over here.
I can put it there.
Okay, you do. You got it?
Yep.
Put it right on top of the middle. Good job. Alright, let's see. So we're getting there. I think what we need is some of this stuff. Midnight Moo.
Where
This
do
could
you
be
need
like
that?
this can be like a glue also. Okay. And
Maybe
put
this
some of these
could be
candies
it
on.
too. Maybe this could be on it too. Maybe this could be on it too, Dad.
Okay, do you want to open that part?
Yep.
Yep. All right. What else? How about a couple more candies? What do you think? Will Vanellope win slaughter race with this guy? No. Let's a couple of these guys. Wait. Okay, let's see, what else? It's looking delicious. Oh, we need the side things, the exhaust. Let's get this right here. And we have Twizzlers. So these can be the little pipes that come up the side. Let's see. All right, what else, Jack?
I just opened this. Maybe this other lollipop again.
Okay. Ready? You gonna help me pour this one? Let's go like this.
But I can't right now
Here.
because I might do
Let's do this part. This will be fun. And then we'll let everyone else do theirs on their own, right? Here, Jackie. You want to do this part or you want me to do it?
I want
Ready?
you.
Watch this.
I want you to do it.
Candy sprinkle. All right. And here is our Candy Crush car from Studio E. So keep posted. Check our website and YouTube videos for other things to do on this break. And let us know ideas also and requests. We're happy to come up with ideas or use any of your ideas. And I almost forgot this stuff. Let's do a couple of these little guys. Little swirls. And all right. You want to say bye, Jackie?
Bye.
Bye-bye.